Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Kroger account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will see your username at the top right instead of the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it and then click on My Account. From the My Account page, click on Profile and now you will see the Change Password button. Click on the Edit Password option and now you will be allowed to change your password. Just type in the current password that you are using to log into your account within the current password box and then enter your desired new password that you wish to set up for your account now. Finally, click on the Save Password button and now this will change your password on your Kroger account right away. After this, every time you log into your account, you will be able to use this new password that you have just changed into. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on Kroger. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.